Hello everybody, welcome to this video on how to customize your command prompt on Windows. So what you basically do is you right click on it, you go to property. From there we have all the settings. You can make your icon cursor size to be small, medium, whatever you choose. There are a lot of things you can do from here. You can change the color. For me, I'll take dark. Screen background, you can change it from here, and then font you can change. For here, go to this consoles. So all those things you can change. You can change all the numbers here, width you can change. So that is how you customize your command prompt on a window. So if you go to font here, if you can put here, you see they have changed. So I can clear okay, see how the thing is. So that is how you customize your command prompt on Windows. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.